Hey, what's going on, YouTube fam? This is your boy Steve, aka Fryer Tuck, and today we'll be going over this camera installation. It's a Haloview. This camera. Components, cable cord, and antenna. These are your wipes right here. Clean your surface off with. Yep. And these are some wire. I guess some wire ties. So, like I said, this is your Haloview camera from Haloview. Just stick around. I'm gonna go ahead and install this for you guys and give it a little road test and let you see how it works and everything else. These are your user manuals. Like I said, some more wipes. Clean wipes. Go out the way. This is your mounting bracket, I guess, for inside your vehicle. Well, now for the truck, yes, not guessing, but that's what it is, mount bracket for the camera, I do so believe. So these are crimp ties. Yeah, for your wires, crimp your wires. Screws. Another mount for your screen, not your camera. These mounts are for your screen itself. It goes into the vehicle. And this is your camera. Your rear view camera for your travel trailer, RV, fifth wheel. Wires. This is your screen. Haloview. Like I said, guys, this is your Haloview. Let's see, BT6 Touch. So here's some more wires for your installation. Antennas, USB-C port, plugins for the vehicle, for the screen itself. Another port. I guess I call this old cigarette. This goes into your cigarette lighter. And what else we got here? Some more wires. Looks like this goes to the back of the camera. This is your seal. So yeah. All right, guys.